Welcome back to my very messy kitchen. Today we are going to do another clean with me. My house is a disaster, you guys, like disaster. It's kind of been a weird morning where our internet is not working, so that's going to be fun to not have internet and not be able to stream anything while I like listen to music. It is now 11:30, so we need to get cleaning. I've showered and actually dried my hair. Like the last time I blow dried my hair, I don't even remember. I never do that. But it feels nice and clean and shiny. So you're welcome, you guys. I actually don't like a little homeless person doing this clean with me. I usually look like a crazy person. All right, so today we need to clean this kitchen. But before, honestly, this kitchen is not that bad. A lot of this just can be thrown into the dishwasher and we'll be done. But I really need to clean the dishwasher filter. It's been a while since I've cleaned that. And my hair, the cat's hair, whatever gets built up in there. So really need to clean that. And then you'll see the rest of the house. Honestly, it just needs to be like picked up. But the kitchen is probably like the worst of it right now. So let's get into it. You know, we have to start with the Diet Coke. Ugh, gross. Again, I forgot to spray this first. I'm also gonna put this guy in there too. Okay, while that's filling, I'm gonna clean this guy. You can see that there's water sitting in there, and I'm basically gonna soak it up with a sponge and drain it into a cup until I can dump it into the sink. I'm probably gonna get some vinegar and spray that in there and wipe that out. I've cleaned the inside of the dishwasher. It's not that hard, honestly. Just a quick like scrub down of everything with some vinegar because I don't really want to put dish soap in there, and I don't really want to put some sort of other weird cleaning chemical in there. And I just got all of the gross water out of there as well. I'm also going to run the dishwasher with the Fresh dishwasher cleaner. This takes about an hour, so once that's done, then I will actually come and clean the kitchen. I just started the machine care on the dishwasher, and that takes 2 hours. I thought it was 1. So that's gonna put us back on cleaning the kitchen, which is fine. That's fine. We have other parts of the house to clean. I just tend to like to clean the kitchen first, because once I get the kitchen clean, I feel like I cleaned the whole house. But this really needs to be done. It probably has been 6 months since I've done that. So, and it wants you to do it, I'm pretty sure, every 2 months. So we're a little behind on that. You can see I showed you guys the grossness of it. It wasn't that bad, but it definitely like kind of smelled, you know. We're gonna let that run, and I think I'm gonna do the vacuuming, like picking up and vacuuming while that's happening. Good news, the internet is working again. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So that means that I will be able to put my headphones on and listen to the rest of my book, which I am listening to Say You'll Remember Me by Abby Jimenez. It's a good book, but it's kind of sad, but it's also a good book. So I'm 84% complete is what it says. It says I have 1 hour and 38 minutes left, which like I will probably listen to the rest of that today.
Just like we're ready. Kinda like it like that. You never ask me if I'm happy or sad. Just like we're ready. Kinda like it like that. You never ask me if I'm happy or sad.
The kitchen is officially clean. Thank the Lord. It wasn't that bad, honestly. So let's see. I started about 2:30. It was like probably 2:45. So it took me about half hour to like actually clean everything and put everything away. So that's good. We have the dishwasher running again. Now we have to vacuum. The rug in our living room is so hairy from our ragdoll that it literally looks like our rug is made of ragdoll hair. So we need to vacuum badly. And then once that's done, I think I'm going to be done for the day. Let's go vacuum and get this done. Done. Also, I would like to say that like this book that I'm listening to, it's heartbreaking. It better freaking end good, or else I'm going to be pissed that I just spent the last like however many hours of my life listening to this book. It's been kind of like it's like keeps you intrigued and like feeling like, okay, something good has got to happen. Something good has got to happen. And then bad stuff just keeps happening. And you're like, something good has got to happen. Something good better freaking happen.
I get the feeling it's a good night. It's so bright. The city's shining from the street lights. So let's live it up, take it up, just call me up. Say anything and I'm down. We're just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it
See
going all
how full this is going to be after I vacuum this rug.
'cause I have on to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we sway. We just sway. Now we sway. We just sway. Don't stop now. We're like the river in the sky. Flying high. Don't think we're ever coming down.
This is ridiculous how full this is after just vacuuming the carpet. Ugh, so much hair.
We'll just pick it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Yeah. 'Cause
This is the best one for hard floors like tile. We have cement as a floor. So much better than that other one.
I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we sway. We just sway. And now we sway. We just sway. Levitating with you, anything can happen. What you think we should do? Let tonight begin. We're just flying high, we're not coming down. Come right up next to me, step side to side. I wanna sway. Yeah, we can dance the night away. Right.
All right, guys, I am officially done cleaning the house. I would not say that it's deep cleaned, but it is clean, like vacuumed, picked up, ready for the week. So that feels good. Having the kitchen clean like it is just feels, oof, so good. And having the dishwasher cleaned out too, that has been hanging over my head for several months. So happy that we got that done. But thank you so much for coming along with me today as I cleaned up my house. I hope that gave you some motivation to get your house cleaned. And if you like these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.